Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faris bin Sabzul Kamal 1182087. So I will explain about cancelling strategy for Widad Group Berhad. Widad Group Berhad is an investment holding company that is principally engaged in construction activities and integrate facilities management service. Widad Group Berhad, or formerly known as Ideal Jacob Berhad, has been active in the business since the 19th, and now the company has diversified into many sectors such as construction, facilities management. Current earnings for quarter March 2021 of Widad Group Berhad are at a positive, and it shows an increase compared to the previous quarter, which is quarter December 2020, which is priced at the negative value. Meanwhile, if we compare to the current earnings of Widad Group Berhad for the previous year, which is quarter March 2020, it shows a decrease in price of 56%. If we look at the current earnings in the current quarter, Widad Berhad can describe the current income growth of the company. This can help traders can anticipate the company's profit before buying the stock. In the last 5 years, only in 2018, the profit of Widad Group Berhad showed an increase of 6.2. In the following year, Widad Group Berhad's profit showed a negative impact when the company's profit showed a sharp decline from 2018 to June 2021. This showed that the company was in the poor position and showed a weak long-term growth. If Widad Group Berhad's annual profit growth continues to decline, investors could see the company has only experienced a decline in profit in the recent years, and the growth will not benefit them. On 18 May 2021, the Kedah State Government awarded a tender for the proposed project upgrading the Bukit Selamba Water Treatment Plant Kuala Muda Kedah Darul Aman to its wholly owned subsidiary Widad Blueders Sdn Berhad and accepted by WBSB on 20 May 2021. The project will not affect the issue share capital and large shareholding of Widad shareholders. However, it will make positive contribution to the income and net asset of Widad, its subsidiaries. Additionally, on 25 May 2021, Widad's board of directors would like to announce that Widad intends to seek its shareholders' consent for the proposed renewal of the shareholders' mandate for recurring related party transaction from revenue or trading at the forthcoming 12th annual Great General Meeting. Currently, Widad Group Berhad has a volume of 17,502,700. If you look at the average volume, Widad Group Berhad has an average volume of 72,684,000. There is a difference in the volume and average volume of Widad Group Berhad at this time, which shows a negative impact that the company is experiencing a lack of demand in the stock market. Less demand from investors for the offering of share by Widad Group Berhad will cause the share price to continue to decline. This means that stock that enter the territory of declining demand will lower the stock price quickly. In a period of 5 years in 2017 until June 2021, if we look at the construction sector involving companies such as Gabuna Berhad, IJM Corporation Berhad, DRPH Com Berhad, and Kerjaya Prospect Group Berhad, this shows that Widad Group Berhad is the leader in the construction industry, showing that the company has dominated the market for a period of 5 years. Despite the relatively declining returns and growth of Widad Group Berhad, the company still left other stock as laggards, even though other companies were in the industry when the market was performing well. This shows that Widad Group Berhad needs to be given priority in buying shares in the construction sector. Among the well-known institutions in the Widad Group Berhad stock shareholdings are Kenanga Investor Berhad, Maybank Investment Bank Berhad, and PNB Syariah Aggressive Fund Apart from that, the top shareholding of Widad Group Berhad also consists of big names such as Tan Sri Muhammad Iqbal Opad bin Abdullah and Teddy Or bin Logic Kim. The total float of Widad Group Berhad, which consists of retainers, is 29.2%. This means that 70.89% of Widad Group Berhad's total share consists of sharks in the stock market because Widad Berhad has a positive effect. In the long run, for 5 years, the share price of Widad Group Berhad shows an uptrend, which means that its shares price is in an uptrend with a higher height. Then it will make a slight fall where it's called a higher low. If viewed in the short term, for the previous 3 months, Widad Group Berhad shares showed a downtrend, which means the next fall is lower than the previous fall. Overall, the result of Slim of Widad Group Berhad is one of the companies that need to be given attention or priority for an investor. That's all from me. Thank you for lending your ears.